Hey, welcome to the show. I'm Super Comma. That's my name. Putting in commas, that's my game. Today we're going to be putting in commas in between nouns. What's a noun? A person, place, or thing. Take a look at the sentence right here. We got dog, cat, and chicken are going for a ride. Where are they going? I don't know. Different subject, different time, but we got to put some commas in. There's a rule though. You put commas after every noun except for the last noun. So let's do it. All right. You put comma after dog. Boom. Put a comma after cat. Boom. All right. Do we put a comma after chicken? No. That's the last noun. All right. Let's read the sentence. Dog, cat, and chicken are going for a ride. It's a great day to go for a ride. I'm not sure who's driving. Different story, another time. Ready to do another one? Yeah, let's do it. Boom. All right, we got a new sentence here. We got Sol, Stephanie, and Super Comma are going to a dance party. Hey, I like dance parties. Different story, different time. Let's put some commas in there. All right. Remember, those are names. Names are nouns, person, place, or thing. So we got to put a comma after the names, except for the last name. So let's do it. Yeah, that's my job. Boom. Put a comma after Sol. Boom. Put a comma after Stephanie. Boom. Do I put a comma after Super Comma? No. That's the last name. All right, let's read the sentence. Sol, Stephanie, and Super Comma are going to a dance party. Hey, that's me. I got to get going to a dance party. Hey, I hope you have a good day here. Hope you learned where to put the commas in. If you ever need help, call Super Comma. That's my name. Got to get going. Adios. Bye.